So AI agents have gone absolutely crazy over the past day, in case you haven't been around. Now, you guys liked my last video about the AI agents, so I'm going to do another one. None of this is going to be a deep dive. Some of these are going to be extremely risky. So these new DeFi agents, it's a brand new sector in AI. It's combining DeFi, which is decentralized finance, with AI. So a lot of the things that take actual effort to do, learning how to trade, learning how to earn yield in an LP pool, all of that stuff can be automated now. There are projects that are working right now to make it an automatic thing where you just set it and forget it. You basically create the AI agent, you tell it what you want it to do, you fund the wallet, and then it will do everything else for you. And you're talking about a personal assistance trader that never sleeps, that doesn't need to eat or take breaks, can constantly watch this market. That being said, a lot of these projects are brand new. A lot of them don't even have a working product yet. None of that shit matters. What matters is the hype. You see these projects launch and out of nowhere, they're worth $200 million in a day or 2 days without a working product. The hype is what matters in this crypto space. Okay, so first off, this is what the AI agent market is looking like. We've got Kira up 268%. We've got 1000X up 106%. We've got Vayne up 97%. Based AI, which is a larger cap token, that's up 20%. So we've just got a sea of green here in the AI agent sector. I love to see it. So first up, Yellow Panther is a really big gaming influencer on X. You can see he's got all kinds of partnerships with really big gaming names. He launches an AI agent called Agent YP. So Agent YP constantly scans the news of the gaming sector, kind of keeping you up to date with what's happening in the gaming world. But in the future, it's going to be much more than this. So here's the website. You can see it doesn't even have a light paper yet. Now, you get a little bit more if you hit its page on virtuals about what the game plan is for this token. So AIYP's mission is to be the greatest gaming AI agent creator in the world. He is very fast, accurate, and intelligent, processing data and information to create useful content for his audience to understand. He is very locked in and married to the game called Web3 gaming, yet he knows he cannot achieve his goals by himself. He needs to team up or collaborate with his most trusted friends and peers in order to achieve this, meaning other agents. Being able to make content on given market information is just the first step of becoming the greatest gaming AI agent creator. The next step is to integrate AIYP into major games and live in the digital realm forever. If anybody is going to actually make this happen, Yellow Panther can do this. He has tons of partnerships with huge names in the gaming space. And if the gaming super cycle kicks off this year like we all think it's going to, this token is going to take off, especially if it partners up and integrates itself into one of those big games. All right, so AIYP is sub $10 million. We had a huge run up to about 2.5 cents here, 2.6 cents. And obviously over the past few days, Bitcoin kind of tanked. Now we're sitting down right under the 1 cent mark. So this could be a buy the dip opportunity on this token. Because this guy is putting his entire reputation on the line, hundreds of thousands of followers on X and all of his gaming partnerships, we know this guy's not going to rub. So this guy's going to stick around and probably really try his best to make this project happen. Okay, AIAnon is a really big one. And this is one of the first tokens that kind of came out in this DeFi sector. So the idea here is to have a multi-chain agent. You don't have to take money and bridge it from Arbitrum to ZK Sync, from Ethereum to Base. You have one agent, you can tell it what token you want, what chain the token's on, and it will run and grab it for you and have it in your wallet sitting there. That is a massive use case, and that is what DeFi is all about. So this is AIAnon's website. It's not a working product, but the hype is here. Welcome to the new era of financial simplicity. Streamline your cryptocurrency journey with our AI agents. Execute trades, get real-time crypto news, view your portfolio, and let the agents handle full DeFi functionality across platforms. Coming soon. So you can see the list of supported chains that are coming. So they've partnered with Layer 0 right there. It's a plus. We can borrow and earn, Aave, Sparks, supply collateral, borrow stable coins, and manage loans. Query your position status, APR, or interest rate. Sky and WAGMI stake, unstake, claim yield, and manage assets on specified chains and protocols. Query current APRs and reward rates. So you don't even have to visit the website, find out how your position's doing. You're staking something for yield. You can just ask your agent, hey, how are my positions doing? I want to go into another pool with a higher APY. It will give you a list of all of those pools. Now, AIAnon's had a really good run up since about the 27th of December, it was a little bit over $1, and we're sitting at over $20 at this point. $254 million market cap. So it is the front runner in this DeFi sector with the largest market cap. And this project could absolutely go into the multiple billions, especially when they launch their product. Next one is BankerBot, your friendly AI-powered crypto companion. Buy, sell, swap, place limit orders, and manage your wallet effortlessly just by sending a message. You can join the wait list because they do not have a working product at this time, but that is not stopping people from sending this to an $18.3 million market cap. We're down about 40% from the top. Looks like we're coming into support, so might be a buy the dip opportunity. This, again, might end up crashing another 40%. We don't know. The idea is to keep an eye on it, find out a little bit more about the team, do some searches on X, and see what the sentiment is like about this or any of the other projects before you actually buy the token. So in their white paper, Banker replaces the expertise of traditional transaction experiences with something better, a single intuitive AI-powered companion that acts as your executor and partner in navigating decentralized finance. So we'll see if this team can follow through, but Banker is in the, I would say, mid-cap range of these DeFi agents. Okay, so this one is actually one that I really like, and this is Orbit. This is another one with a pretty big name, pretty decent sized market cap. The token is actually called Grift, which I think is hilarious because it's kind of like a con, right? You know, when you're grifting somebody, you're kind of ripping them off. So I think that's hilarious. They named the token Grift. They actually have some portion of their project working at this time. It says AI agent DeFi abstraction layer made by Sphere 1, which is an infrastructure play. 1 year in the making, 117 chains, close to 200 protocols. The finance assistant for billions of AI agents. Imagine a future where billions of AI agents run the digital economy. And you can come here and go through their tweets. They've got a few videos showing you, all the different features of Orbit. But I do like this project. Got a decent website here, vast ecosystem integration, 100 blockchains, 200 protocols. Remember, we talked earlier about what Hey Anand is planning to do, where you just tell it, hey, I want this token. It will go to any chain, grab that token, and place it in your wallet for you. No more 8 steps and transfers and waiting time, and especially saving on gas. If you're buying tokens on Ethereum, sometimes those swaps can be $20 and a bridge can be the same, $20-$40, and the chain gets really busy. So swaps and bridges, staking and yield, lending and borrowing, portfolio management. So it's a whole DeFi hub here in Orbit Agent. And this is one, I do not own it at this time, but by the time I post this video, I probably will. This is one that I've been looking at heavy. All right, so the Orbit token itself is at a $91 million market cap. This is another big one. During this dip over the past couple of days, it came down to about 62 cents. It's back up to about $1, as it should be. This is one of the only ones that has a working product at this time. I actually did come here and check out their chatbot to tell me the top AI tokens on Base blockchain. It said the top AI token on Base blockchain is Mosaic, the Moz token. Here's a quick snapshot. There's the price, 24-hour volume, 24-hour change, and the market cap, which at the time it was about 4 million, and that was before Bitcoin really tanked. Mosaic is linked with the AI, big data, and generative AI categories, and it's part of the Arbitrum and Base ecosystem. The Mosaic project is a community-founded initiative that aims to democratize access to artificial intelligence by integrating it into yield and liquidity strategies. It's part of the DeFi space and is powered by Layer 0. So as I was doing more research on whether or not to buy this token, I found out that they are integrating with Berachain. So they're doing a little bit of a rebrand. If you hold the Moz token, after they launch on Berachain, they are introducing a token called Haiku, and you get a 1-to-1 airdrop that you can go and claim on Berachain when this does happen. So the volume on this project has picked up. And what is Haiku? I'm glad you asked. Haiku is more than just a rebrand. It's a strategic transformative aimed at addressing the needs of a broader user base than Mosaic currently serves. So they're planning on getting bigger. What I like to see. AIAgent, an AI-powered assistant that enables users to execute trades through natural language inputs. So it's a comprehensive DeFi trading tool in alpha mode on Arbitrum. Again, they are rebranding now to Berachain. Multi-token swaps, lending, borrowing, and bridging in a single atomic transaction, which is so massive, especially when we're talking about onboarding new users. It took a little bit of effort for me to learn how to bridge tokens from one chain to another chain. What is each chain's different specific function? And then upon that, learning how to to find a decentralized exchange that has these specific tokens. For me to just be able to come here and say, hey, I would like this token, it's on so-and-so chain, go get it, and it does it. That is something that is going to bring normal people to the blockchain in droves. So I think we're going to stop there, guys. There are so many different agents that we need to get through, and by the time I put up this video, 100 more are going to be on the scene. So I'm going to do my best to try to bring you these quick, fast videos as fast as I can make them. If you like learning about Web3 AI and Web3 AI agents specifically, go ahead and subscribe, and thanks for watching.